Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the example 15. Okay, already we have learned the last class number patterns and magic square, and then different patterns, how to make the different patterns we have learned in the previous class. I hope you all understood the previous concept. Today we will complete the remaining problems related to the patterns. Okay. So now see the example 15. Find the least digit which can replace the question mark. Okay, which can replace the question mark in the given numbers. So two numbers are given. The first one of the question 5, the replace we have to find out this value. Okay, so 5 question mark 9 is divisible by 3, divisible by 3. And second one 48 question mark is given. You have to find out this value is divisible by 9, divisible by 9. Okay, so how to find out what is the rule of divisible by 3? Divisibility test by 3, what we learn, what is the rule? The rule is the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Is it? The sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay, so here solution, sum of the digits, is it? So already given 2 digits. So 5 plus 9, what we get? 5 plus 9, 14. So which number, which least number we have to add this number, we get the divisible number by the 3, divisible by the 3. Which number? So least one. So next one of that plus 1, is it? We have added with this number with 1, we get the divisibility by 3, divisibility by 3. So the hence 5, 1, 9, because the sum of value was 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is 1. Thus, hence 5, 1, 9. Okay, that's it. And second one 4, 8 question mark, is it? So 4 plus 8. What is the value of 4 plus 8? 12. Is divisible by 9. Second one is given divisible by 9. What is the rule for the divisible test by 9? The sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Here add these two values, we get 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. 12 is not divisible by 9. So which least number we have to add with this number? Which number we have to add? We get the divisible by 9. Next 1, 13. Is this possible? No. And 2, 14. It's not possible. 3, 15. It's not possible. 4, 16. It's not possible. 5. It's not possible. 6, 8. 12 plus 6. 18. 18 is divisible by 9? Yes, twice a times. So which number we have added? We get the divisible by 9? 6. So plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 9. Hence which number we have to find out? 6, the least number. Okay, find the least digit. The least digit is 6. Okay, now see the exercise 5th problem. 4.2 Fifth problem. The first one, replace the question mark, the same one. Replace the question mark by the smallest digit so that the number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 is given. Okay, so first one. What is that? 5 question mark 8. So divisible rule for 3 already you know that. What is that? The sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Then the given number is divisible by 3. So we have to add these numbers. Is it? So what is the value of 5 plus 8 is 13. Which number we have added? We get the divisible by 3? 2. Is it? Because 15 we got it. So 15 is divisible by 3. 15 divisible by 3. So which number we have to add? 2. So in this place the replace value, is it? Replace the question mark 5 to 8. Okay, and second one, 27 question mark is given. Okay, so here also we have find the sum of 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. So here you should specify the any one of the number, is it? So which number we have put in this place? 0. Is it? 0 also divide 0 we have added, we get the 90. 90 is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Or next one of the number is 3. Okay, so I have considered, you have your wishes. Okay, so in many possible ways. Okay, so first 0 is also, this number is divisible by 3. 270. Next one of the divisible number, least divisible by 3 is 3. Okay, it's also divisible by 3. So okay, hence I have considered this value. Okay, so the replaced value was 273. 273. Okay, right. And next one, C and D are the homework. C and D are the homework. And now move to the worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 problems. Need for worksheet 1, worksheet 2. The first is select the correct answers, straight true or false are homework, and third problem also homework. Now do the fourth problem. A number is divisible by 15. A number is divisible by 15. By what other numbers must it be divisible? So what are the other numbers are divisible by the number? So what are the factors of 15? Okay, so that factor should divided by which are the numbers divisible by 15, that numbers should divisible by the factors, by the factors. Okay, see, worksheet 1, fourth problem. A number is divisible by, given a number is divisible by 15. Okay, by what other numbers must it be divisible? So what are the factors? What are the factors, ma? 15, what are the factors? 3 and 5 are the factors. Okay, 3 and 5 are the factors. of 15. Therefore, a number is divisible by 5, 3 and 5 also. Okay. So, a number divisible by 5 and 3 also. Okay. And next one, fifth. Why do you divisible by 3 and 5? Because 15, the factor of 15 is 3 and 5. So, each number should divisible by any divisible of 15. Any divisible of 15. எந்த நம்பர்லாம் 15 வந்தாலும் டிவைட் ஆகுதோ அந்த அவ்வளோ நம்பருமே எந்த நம்பர்ஸாலையும் டிவைட் ஆகுமா 3 and 5 ஆலையும் டிவைட் ஆகும். அதான் கான்செப்ட். ஓகேவாமா? ரைட். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன், ரைட் டவுன் தி ஜெனரலைஸ்ட் form of 3-digit number. Already you have learned in introduction class 3-digit number. Okay, so general form, general form of 3-digit. Okay, general form of number is equal to 3-digit means hundreds. Okay, 100 p plus 10q plus r. R is the ones place, 10q means 10 digits and 100th place. Okay, that's it. And next one, sixth problem, write a 3-digit number divisible by 3 such that its 10th digit is an odd number. So, we have to write any one of the 3-digit number. The 10th digit is an odd. So, 10th digit மட்டும் எப்படி இருக்கணுமா odd number இருக்கணும். We have find out the 3-digit number. நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா 3-digit. Sixth problem, write the 3-digit solution. Write the 3-digit number. Okay, so we have start the natural number from 1. Okay, so let's the 3-digit number be 1. First number we have consider 1 and second one is should in odd number. Okay, so next one after 2 is a even number, so we have considered to the ones digit. Okay, so which number replies in this place? We get the divisible by 3. We get the divisible by 3. So apply. So next one of the number is 3. Okay, 3 is a odd number. 3 is a odd number. Now we have considered 132. Is this possible to divisible by 3? We will check the sum of the value. What is the sum of the value? The sum of the digit is 1 plus 3 plus 2. What we get? 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, hence 132 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. And 3 is an odd number. Okay, 3 which place is there? 10th digit. Okay, 10th digit 3 is an odd number. Okay, that is the result. You have applied any other numbers also. In this place we have replaced 5. Okay, next one of the odd number is it. So 152. Is this possible to divide by 3? Is this possible? Cancel? It's not possible. Okay, so next we'll move to the next one of the step. Okay, you have to using the trial error method. You have to find out the any other 10 digit only should in the odd number. Should in odd numbers. Others you have used any number and frame the divisible by the number by 3. Divisible by the number by 3. 3 all the number enna cheyano divisible ahano. Okay, next one of the problem, 7th one. The number 34,673 is divisible by which two numbers? Which two numbers? So here end with the unit place is 3. So we will check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, we will do now. Solution. The sum of the digit. What is the rule for the divisible test by 3? The sum of the digits. The sum of digits is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3. 6 plus 7 plus 3. So add these values. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. Okay, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 10 27. Is this possible to divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. Okay, so therefore the given number is divisible by 3. We have to find out two numbers. We have to find out the two numbers. One we have found, that number is 3. Okay, we will try. Clearly we have observed from this value. So another one of the number, which number is divisible by 20 by this number, by which number is divisible? 9, is it? So 9 is divisible by 27. Thrice the times of 9 is 27. Clearly observe from the this value. Okay, so the sum of digits 27 is divisible by 9. Hence the number 31,34,000. Okay, we need not to put the commas. Okay, 673 is divisible by 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Okay, and now 8, 9, 10 are the homework. 8, 9, 10 are the homework. Now move to the worksheet 2. Worksheet 2, 1, 2 are homework. Now move to the third problem. Find the value of k, where you have to find out the value of k. 35k2. Okay, is divisible by by 6. Divisible by 6. So already we have learned the divisible by 2, 3, okay, 5, 9 and 10 only we have learned. Okay, so how do you have checked the given number is divisible by 6? The only one possible. What are the factors of 6? Okay, first we have to find out the what are the factors of 6. What are the factors? 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Already you know that the 2 and 3 for the divisible test. Okay, which we have applied the divisible test by 2. The ones digit of the given number is divisible by 2. Then which are the numbers? 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, these are all in the unit place. It should divisible by 2. And 3, what is that rule? The rule of 3 is the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. Okay. Now we will move to check the solution. First, we have applied when k is equal to 1. When k is equal to 1, then 3, 5, 1, 2. So, one's digit is 2, should divisible by 2. Okay. Here, one's digit, one's of the number is 2. One's digit of the number is 2. Therefore, 3, 5, 1, 2 is divisible by 2. Why do you check here 2 is divisible? 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Okay. So, we have checked the divisible test by 2 and divisible test by 3. Okay. Now, check it next one. The sum of the digit. The sum of digits. What is the value? 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Add 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 is possible to divisible by 3. It's not possible. So, not divisible by 3. Therefore, 3, 5, 1, 2 is not divisible by 3. Now, check whether k is equal to 2. When k is equal to 2, 3, 5, 2, 2. Okay, right. See, here also one's digit is 2. Here, one's digit of the number is 2. Is it? The rule of 2 is the one's digit is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So, one's digit is 2. Therefore, 3, 5, 2, 2 is divisible by 2. Okay. Now, check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. See the sum of the digit. The sum of the digits 3, 5, 2, 2. So, add values. What we get? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number 3522 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Then, hence, k is equal to 2. Then, 3522 is divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Therefore, the given number 3522 is also divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. That's it. And fourth one, find the value of A and B in the following. Okay, so A 6, 9, 1, A 5, B 7, 4. B 7, 4. Find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. Okay, this is the question. Solution. So sum of these value. So 9 plus 5 is 14, remaining 1. Okay. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So one's digit is 4. Tens digit carry forward to the next tens place. So 1 plus 6 plus A is equal to 7. So the value was 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus A is equal to 7. So A is equal to, by using the transpose method, 7 move to that side. 7 minus 7 you get 0. So A is equal to 0. So now replace the A place is 0. So A plus 1 is equal to B. So 0 plus 1 is equal to B. So B is equal to 1. Hence A equal to 0, B equal to 1. B equal to 1. That's it. And fifth one. Find the value of A plus B if 5A plus 15 is equal to B8. B8. Now find out A plus B. Okay. So given 5A plus 15 B8. B8. So add these two values, is it? So solution, A plus 5 is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So what is the value of A? 3. That's it. And next we have find out the B value. So 5 plus 1 is equal to B. So 6 equal to B. The value, hence A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6. Then A plus B is equal to, what is the value? 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Okay, right. And move the sixth problem. A number 3 to m. Okay. A number 3 to m leaves the remainder 1 when divided by 2. Find the m. Find the m. Okay. So leave the remainder. Remainder we have leave from this value, the m value, we get the divisible by 2. ஒரு நம்பர் அப்ளை பண்ணுறோம், அந்த நம்பரில் leave the remainder. ரிமைண்டர் வந்து லீவ் பண்ணனா அந்த நம்பர் வந்து should divisible by 2. So what is that number? You have to find out the m value. So solution, when m is equal to, okay, which number? First we will put the 1. Okay, leave the remainder, is it? The question is leave remainder 1, then it is divisible by 2 is given. Okay, so apply the value as 1, we get 3 to 1. Leave the remainder, so subtracted 1, we get 320. Is this possible to divide? Yes. Is it? Yes. What are the possible for the divisible by 2? 2, the ones digit is 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So, this is possible. Okay. And next one, m equal to 2. So, 322 minus 1, we get 321. It's not possible to divise that by 2. Divisible by 2 or divided by 2. And next m is equal to 3. And then 323 leaves the remainder 1. 322 is divisible by 2. Because the ones digit is 2. Because the ones digit is 2. Okay. So, hence, I have considered this value. Okay. Hence, m, any value, this also we have considered. M is equal to 1 or m is equal to 3. Any one of the method, any one of the number. Okay. You have followed the trial error method. So, which number we apply for m, it's satisfied by 2. Okay. Leave the remainder 1. Then we get the number is divisible by 2. That number is, consider the m value as 1 or next one is 3. Okay. So, any one of the number. So, we have here consider the m is equal to 3. Here m is equal to 3. So, leave the remainder. Leave the remainder 1, then 322, then we get the number 322 is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Because ones digit of the number is 2. That's it. Okay. Now move to the 9th problem. 7 and 8 are the homeworks. Okay. 9th problem. Find the value of r plus p if, here find out r plus p. Okay. R into P into 4, 192. So, which number multiply the by 4, we get the ones digit is 2. So, 3 times of 4 is 12. Okay, 3 times of 4 is 12. 12. So, ones digit is 2. Which number multiply? We get the value of 18. Is possible. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are more than 20. So, it is not possible. So, we will check to the next one of that when the p value was 8. P is equal to 8. So, p into 4, okay, is equal to 8 into 4 is equal to 32. So, ones digit is 2, remaining 3. Ones digit is 2, remaining 3. Now, which number multiply? Here we get the value of 19. Here 3 is there. So, subtracted 19 minus 3, we get 16. So, how many times is possible? 4 times, is it? So, r is equal to 4. Okay. So, 4 4s are 16. Already here 3 tens, is it? So, 19. So, which number we have added for the r value? 4. Okay. Hence, r is equal to 4. P is equal to 8. We have find out r plus p. So, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. That's it. And next one, 10th problem. check out the possible values of a and b in the number so that it is divisible by 9. Okay, can you do that homework? So what are the possibilities? Have many possibilities. Okay, so you will try to find out that numbers. Okay, so you will put for a 0 and then 1 2 3. Okay, well a values, and so b value also you have put. So the what is the rule of divisible by 9? The sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Okay, you have apply trial error method, apply one by one, a value, b value, like that. Okay, you have find out how many numbers we have to find out. Check out possibles. What are the possible? So you have find out 5 possibles or 4 possible for the divisible by 9 for the given number. Kuduthirukka number ku. Okay va? Right. So 10th honors homework. Now move to the 11th problem. In the following problem, replace the letters of the English alphabet by the digits. 2 or more letters may have the same values. Okay, same values to complete the procedure of division. So one of the division. So already learned the one of the model for addition, subtraction, and also multiplication also learn. Okay, so now give it the 11th problem in division. Okay, division is given. The question, divisor, the dividend is 4 a b. Okay, and then the quotient value was 5c minus d e 3f and minus g h. So here one of the condition is given, a number is repeated, is it? 2 or more letters may be the same value, maybe have a same value. So no problem, we have easy to find out the answer for this problem. Solution. So first one, 9 5s are, first quotient value is given, is it? 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45, right? 9 5, already here 4. Listen, 9 5s are 45. Okay, here a is there, here b. Okay, subtract, this values will be 0. So here value is given 3. So which is possible to subtract in this place, is it? So which number in this place we get the value of this one? So a minus 5. Which operation doing in this place? A minus 5 equal to 3. So how to find out the a value? So minus 5 move to that side by using the transpose method. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So a is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. So what is the value of a? 8. Okay. Now what is the value of 3? D is equal to, what is the value? D value was 4. E value was 5. Okay, and then subtract. Now down the B value. Here F is given. F is given. Okay, so which number we have multiply? The C, we get the value. The denominator will be 0. So G H. So here 3. So what is the possibility of 9? 9 3s are, what is the value? 27. So it's not in the tens places 3. 2 only there. Okay. And next one, 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. So here we have apply. The value was 4. Okay. So here B value F is stay in this place. Here GH is 36. GH is 9 4s are 36. Why do you write the 36? So 9 3s are 27. Already here give it the tens digit. So it's not possible. So move to the next one of that factor. 9 4s are 36. So 3. The place value of the tens is 3. So 3s are 9 4s are 36. Here the statement is given 2 or more letters may have the same value. So we have used it this one. Okay. So which number we have added in this place? So F value will be 0. Is this possible? Here we get the remainder is 0 also given. Which number we have apply in this place? Subtract the value is 0. 6. Is it? The sum of value in this place. So B is equal to also 6. B is also 6. 6 is possible. Yes, 6. So down the value is 6. Okay. So F also 6. F also 6. So these two values are equal. Okay. Subtract this value. The remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. The B value also 6. Down the 6 value 36. 9 4s are 36. The remainder will be 0. So the place value of F is 6. B is also 6. H is also 6. Okay. H is also 6. And G, what is the value of G? G equal to 3. G equal to 3. Okay, that's it. So homework. Worksheet 1. Exercise also given. Is it exercise 5 point or 4 point? 4.2 fifth C and D. Okay, C and D. And worksheet 1 2 3 8 9 10. And worksheet 2 one word questions only given. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me in one word also. 1, 2, 7, 8 and 10. Okay. So the fourth unit is completed. So in this unit we have learned about the number patterns, magic square and divisibility tests for 2, 3, 9, 10. Okay, I hope you all understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.